Ukudulwa kumasipala iNelson Mandela Bay luzimase umsitho wokufundisa ngamathuba kunye namacandelo omsebenzi eKruger. Injongo yalo msitho nobusingathwe yi-Imbizo Events ibikukuvala umsantsa phakathi kwabaqeshi kunye nabo bazingela umsebenzi. Umphathi wale project uPinky Bala uthi nangona isisihlandlo sokuqala ukubamba olu hlobo lomsitho baza kuqhubeka nokuyisingatha.
The hall is full. We've got about 200 learners, and I think it's small because Galoku in Nelson Mandela Bay it's huge, and we also want to roll this out to other places, especially Upper Eastern Cape. But I think the turnout is good for us to focus on them because Galoku, remember again, this is our first of its kind, and we can see that we can do this. We will take it to 1,000, and also. It's an annual event. Perhaps it's going to be quarterly or a semester.
Ulutsha lwalo masipala luthi maninzi amanqaku elwabambileyo kulo msitho.
Considering I haven't taken a chance to reflect on what I do after matric, I think the Career Expo shed a light a little bit on my options. That's basically what I could say I've learned today.
Okay, and did you find it informative?
It was very informative, especially on the marine sector, because first of all, I don't do what's it called, marine. I do electrical, but what they presented here, I found it very, very informative.
For example, I'm doing a maritime related subject, which is it's marine sciences and maritime economics, but now I've learned so many things that are there in the shipping industry.
Inkampani ezininzi bezikhona khona ukuze zinikezele ngolwazi kwabo bakhangela umsebenzi. Ukanti abazimasi bakwafunde ngendlela amabazilandele xa befaka izicelo zengqesho. Kwindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguphelisa Mkhendlana.